Hey, I just wanted to bring you to one of our exciting projects here. We are in Marina del Rey and we have those three beautiful docks here. They're about 180 feet long by 8 foot wide, and what's happening is that they are basically sinking. Okay, so I mean, did you ever wonder how is it possible that they are actually floating? Now, the whole thing is about that each of the dock has very large, like a pillows. They are called floats, okay, and I'll show you. Each float has about 2,500 pounds of buoyance, which means that each float can lift, come I show you, each float can lift about one small single car, okay? We have about 12 floats here mounted right underneath the dock, okay? So I'll just show you here. Come closer, please. Now, here is the float, okay? So you see, each platform has about 6 floats. They are 48 inches wide by 96 inches long by 16 deep. So that single float can handle and have a vertical lift of a single car. That's why all these decks are able to float. So they not only carry your the weight of the docks, but they also can carry additional weight, which is human traffic and so on. Okay. Now, in addition to that, we have some supporting legs here. You can see how badly deteriorated are those legs. Now, what is happening here? Imagine we have high tide and low tide. Okay. So when we have a low tide, the water is coming out, okay, and the whole deck is settling, is lowering, okay? So then it sits on the legs and it protects the floats from damage. We have a 3-inch clearance here, and imagine if those legs are gone, the whole weight is sitting on those very fragile floats, because inside there's nothing, just polystyrene. Basically a foam. So we have to replace those legs as well, and you can see here how badly it is sinking. Okay, we have 3 docks here, middle, and the other one, and that's basically it. It's very exciting because replacing of those floats take a little bit of logistics. We're gonna build a vessel. It's like apparatus that can actually sink the float into the water while we changing those floats. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this project and watch for updates.